These brushes work well for things like grasses, hair, fur. Use a fluid paint. It will flow off your brush easier. I want to use a light touch with the fan brush so you get these soft wispy edges on your brush strokes. Using the edge of the brush, you can get thinner lines. Control the flow of the brush a little bit better. That one's not bad. All right, let's show what it can do. And create grasses very easily by layering shorter brush strokes. You can create things like fur using different colors over that. Do you like that one? I really like it. I think it's kind of cool, a little bit different. Like, you know, it kind of has that 60s vibe to me.